Hey guys, what is up? It is Simone here. Welcome back to my channel. So I am finally back and uploading content on Instagram and on YouTube. I took some time off to really just focus on the Black Lives Matter movement because that was obviously my main priority and was so important to me. I tried to be as vocal as possible on Instagram by just, letting people know to sign and petitions and where to donate and how to vote. So that's where all my attention went. I know a lot of influencers did the same thing. They kind of took off time. They muted their Instagrams for a little bit just to focus on what was going on today. Like, we are fighting for equality and just change pretty much overall. So I'm pretty much re-recording this audio because I had this video recorded for quite some time, but I didn't feel right just coming straight back onto YouTube acting like nothing ever happened. I just wanted to start off the video just pretty much letting you guys know that down below there will be links where you can go sign petitions, where you can donate, and how you can support if you haven't done so already. We need to continue doing this. Yeah, so I just hope that we see change. I wanted to come back with a video that was not too much, but still simple with a nice pop of glam. You guys know I love blow drying my hair. I love a fresh blowout look. I love a nice sleek wig that's beautifully plucked, okay? This wig is from Wowafrican, and I pre-plucked it myself. I also have on a stocking cap, if you haven't noticed. And you guys know I don't usually do stocking caps. I'm usually like so against it. But I was just in the spirit of the moment, and I was like, well, why not? I am going to start by just brushing out the curls with a Denman brush. What works best for me to get a nice flat look if you don't want to use the hot comb is a blow dryer. You guys know I swear by it. Before I even used hot combs, blow dryers were my best friend. Like, they give me the most desired look. After I do this, I'm usually set for however long I am wearing the wig for until I wash it again. I usually don't have to go back in and straighten the roots or, and so forth. So for me, this is like my favorite method to get a nice blowout, fluffy, voluminous look. While I'm doing this, it's pretty much self-explanatory. I have several videos on this, guys, which is way more detailed than this video. But I'm just gonna spend my time going back and forth until I get it to where I want it to be. So I'm gonna blow dry it forward, I'm gonna blow dry it backwards. I'm gonna do it with a smaller brush, a larger brush. And usually for tighter curls, I do it with a smaller brush. And for more volume and bigger curls, I'll do a bigger brush. So it kind of just depends on what look you're going for. And sometimes if I can't figure that out, I'll just kind of go in between and use both brushes. So at this point, you can pretty much stop if you like where it's at. I love where it's at, actually, but then again, I'm never really satisfied with anything. Did use my kitchen scissors to just create some layers. If you have a real hair scissors, it will do the job way better, but I couldn't find mine at the moment. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my ion oil. One of my favorite oils one of my favorite oils that I get from Sally's all the time. It feels amazing in weave, wigs, your real hair. It's silky and it's light, and it will not give you that greasy, weird finish residue. And here I am just taking a selfie for Instagram because my scalpage was very scalp-like, okay? I was so impressed. Wowafrican never fails. I'm gonna keep it 100% real. I do have to do a video for you guys where I give you guys my top 5 favorite hair brands and my least favorite hair brands, because Wowafrican is definitely on the #1 list. I love them. So now I'm going to just cut the lace off, as you can see. And it's funny because I wasn't gonna really do like any hairspray. I was gonna make it 100% glueless, but then I was like, you know what? Why not just go all out, I did keep this wig on my head for about 4 days. Do you hear my dog in the background? Found this hairspray from Pantene at my local Aldi's or Aldi's, however you say it, and I've been using it in place of Gotta Be Glue hairspray, and I love it because one, it smells freaking amazing. Like, if I'm gonna go hang out with Bae, I'm gonna just spray this around my head really quick for that great smell, because this smells so good. It's also not a super harsh hairspray, so again, yes, it will come off with water. Will it stick for a long time? It just depends on how you upkeep the hair. And then just perfect the hairline to how you like it. You guys know I'm always like in between, like baby hairs, no baby hairs, hair on the hairline or no hair on the hairline. But I just know for me, honestly, I hate to just see a straight hairline going across. It drives me nuts. So I need to brush out something just to feel like myself. I'm going to be using this setting foam from Tiana Blanco. It is a curl whip, and I'm going to use this to kind of just put the baby hairs in the direction that I want it to go into. Nothing major, nothing complex, just simple swooping. Simple and thin pieces of hair. So now it's time for some simple ass makeup. You guys know my makeup routine is basic, okay? It used to be super exaggerative, but at this point, I feel like I look the most beautiful when I have the least amount of makeup or none on. I'm not really a lashes type of girl. The only thing I really care about really is my foundation and my eyebrows and maybe some mascara. I might actually experiment with individual lashes to see if I like it maybe in place, because it does make my eyes look a little bit more like, you know, bigger. But until then, this is my basic makeup routine, and this is what y'all gonna get, okay? Because this is just what's comfortable for me. I am using Flower Beauty. I have all the products on the screen, and I'll have everything linked down below on my blog, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna be using this face oil. Lately I've been using a lot of oils, organic products, plant-based products for my face. It just makes life a little bit easier for me. I still cannot find any foundation to match my skin tone, so I am just mixing every foundation that I have in my house these days to try to get the color as close as possible to my skin. So as you guys just seen, I did super white with a nice brown and got this color to match me. And then I do add powder for a more smooth look. And I don't really wear blush either, but these days I'm trying new things, okay? So, and I actually like it. It makes me look alive. And this is practically my end result, guys. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, there are links down below for you to donate. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.